tonight at 5:30. How much do you value your privacy? It's a good question. The government has rolled back restrictions when it comes to the internet providers and your online habits. Good evening, everyone. I'm Laura Harris.
And I'm Paula Groen. Taking Action reporter Jackie Callaway tonight with how to protect your internet searches from being sold to the highest bidder.
All of your shopping and surfing habits may soon wind up on the marketplace now that lawmakers voted to scrap certain privacy protections.
And they're serving those to you across every website.
Ryan Malais, Pinellas Computers Chief Technology Officer, says prepare to be bombarded by hyper-targeted ads across all platforms.
It's taking your data and using it to a whole nother level that it was never fathomed could be done.
By using Facebook and Amazon, you agree to allow them to sell your information to marketers, resulting in ads. But the strict regulations will now allow your internet carrier to sell your browsing habits. The move makes it possible for advertisers to fill up your browser page with pop-ups and products.
And that information is highly valuable to companies that want to advertise products and services to use.
But there is a way out.
I'm no longer connecting to the internet through this computer in Largo, Florida.
Pinellas Computers showed us a product it's developed to block your online content from capture. The cost? About $40 a year.
No one, especially Bright House Spectrum, can tell what websites I'm visiting, what content I'm viewing.
You may have another option, one that won't cost you a thing, but you might have to take it old school by picking up the phone or shooting an email over to your internet provider. Ask them if there's any way that you can opt out of their plans to share your internet habits. The fight isn't over. A new bill on Capitol Hill would give consumers a say before any company could sell their information to advertisers. I'm Jackie Callaway, taking action for you.